I'm happy we have today the Agromate GSM based remote controller which operates on cell phone with either SMS based messages or through calls, and the feature is that it will be used in farms, industries, residential purposes. And secondly, and any domestic application, if it is to be used, this can be used. And Android application can also be downloaded to the system when the user will have the option to use its operation through using that application. And it also has the operational advantage through different features. It has the alerts coming to the mobile through SMS whenever various conditions happen in the field. Like for instance, the voltages are not uniform in the three phases, when one phase is out of order, or when the water flow in the system is coming below a particular level. This can send signal to the cell phone. So that way this has better advantage. Unlike in other situations where the motors get burnt when we don't have this sort of feature in the system. And the last and better feature is whenever somebody tries to thieve this particular device, it will be immediately sent to the admin that this particular device is not in that original place. Therefore, I advise this company to not only have this feature and add GPS based system whereby even the person taking this to a different area, so this device will be able to locate or track the system, and by which maybe based on the Aadhaar card details or other features, we will be able to come to know who must have taken this out. And now coming to the other feature, now when we have recently gone to NABARD to explain the utility of such devices that come to the rescue of farmers, especially under odd conditions, and more so when the bores are failing these days for inadequate water due to depletion of water levels in the fields due to inadequate rains. So now these devices will help to know these, as I already told, the level of below the optimum level. It will be able to indicate and send the alerts to the user, and so it will provide enough safety to the bore motors. And as an extension to all these features, recently when we met the Chief General Manager of NABARD, he has given an excellent advice that why same device can't be used in the paddy fields where most of the water is getting wasted due to indiscriminate use of water, unknowingly or knowingly, or maybe due to the circumstances when flows are not under the control of farmers. So this particular device will indicate to the farm owner that levels are to be controlled. Therefore, we have told the person today, of course, it is in a simulated conditions which reflect the conditions that we try to put in the field. That is, as and when we want in a field between the water column between 1 inch or 2.5 inches, depending on the status of the crop, we will be able to indicate through these devices that we can operate between 1.5 inches at one stage when it is in the vegetation stage, between 2.5 inches at flowering or advanced stage of the grains. So thereby it can alternate between wetting and drying conditions. Drying in the sense that it can go lower to 0 and come to 1.5 in the case of vegetation stage, and it can go below 0 or around 0 to 2.5 in the flowering stage or advanced stages. So this provides control to the farmer and thereby saving enormous water. And when we have calculated in our own field using a, a manual sort of device with perforated holes, we perhaps would have saved nearly 40 to 50% of water. If this sort of devices are used and then connected to the metering or monitoring devices, we should be able to indicate proper savings in certain known terms. Therefore, we can be more scientific, and savings can be easily tabulated and documented and validated. This whole thing can be utilized in the whole of India with this sort of scientific basis. So I hope this will be considered by all the institutions, including the banking institutions, and provide relief to the government by way of saving water to them, and as well as saving water to the farmer, not leading to the depletion of the pumps. So this will provide enormous advantages in all respects. See, this feature I have discussed in general about its operational details. Now, when I told them, the manufacturer, that they should also add the water level indicators, especially for use in paddy fields, they have come out with a model now, pilot model, and right now it is in my house under demonstration. The simulated condition is presented here before us, and now the present state is that the green signal indicates that motor is on. That means it must have been drawing water from the field, although those conditions are not reflecting here, this being the pilot model. Green signal is an indication of the motor on condition, which is also reflecting in the SMS signals in the particular cell that is in the hands of the user. And now, in a situation like when we want from a minimum condition in vegetative stage to switching over to the flowering stage, that means when the period has crossed 7 days in the vegetative stage, and 8th day when we have to reach to 1.5 to 2 inches, which is seen by pouring water here, is a reflection that, which means he is pouring water, indicates that motor is also, pump is also trying to send water to the field and filling to an extent of 2.5 inches. The simulation effect is seen through filling by hand. So which means when the level reaches to 2.5 inches for next stage of the field, let's say for a particular crop, or say in the case the paddy, we don't need to increase the column beyond 2.5 inches. See, automatically the motor recognizes that field has reached 2.5 inches column for which this has been set, and the motor automatically switches off the pump and send a signal to the user that we have reached the desired maximum condition. Therefore, this enables the user at that instance that field has already reached whatever may be the time, even maybe night time or morning time, daytime. He will get alert from the field that the field has reached to 2 inches, so that he can himself go and monitor whether such a condition has already been achieved. So he will be able to take control that way and see the performance of these devices from time to time and alert the manufacturer for its accuracy and its performance in the field. So that way the labor component can be. So it's all the question of how we get used to these devices and then be able to operate properly. Thank you. Water. If this sort of devices are used and then connected to the metering or monitoring devices, we should be able to indicate proper, savings, in certain known terms. Therefore, we can be more scientific, and savings can be easily, tabulated and documented and validated. This whole thing can be utilized in the whole of India with this sort of scientific basis. So I hope this will be considered by all the institutions, including the banking institutions, and provide relief to the government by way of saving water to them, and as well as saving water to the farmer, not leading to the depletion of the pumps. So this will provide enormous advantages in all respects.